Hello, gang. We are going to play 8 on a hand, level 1. We're going to play one measure of eighth notes with our right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One measure of eighth notes with our left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, our goal is going to be to make our right hand and our left hand sound exactly the same. Here's a couple of pointers to get you there. Number 1, hit the bullseye. Hit the center of the drum. Make sure you're hitting the same spot on the drum every single time. I especially don't want to hear this. If you're hearing that sound on the practice pad, try to hit that center of the drum. We're going to keep it at the speed limit. That means we're not going to speed up, take off, and leave the band and the metronome in the dust. We're also not going to get honked at when we slow down. So if you're playing along with me, stay right there with me. If you're playing along with the jam track, stay right there with the band. Great way to do this is my next point. Count, count, count. If you're counting in time, you're going to play in time. So we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One last little tip that I'll give you is to pay attention to your stick height. If your stick height is the same, the notes will sound the same. Listen to this. Keep that stick height the same. Okay, guys, I'm going to throw on a metronome. Let's give it a shot. Grab your sticks. You can play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. There you have it, 8 on a hand.